In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the page title in WordPress using no plugins. Whether you're a website owner who wants a cleaner look or you're looking to customize your site's appearance without relying on additional software, this guide will walk you through the process easily and efficiently. First, let's begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find a list of all your pages. Pick the page where you'd like to hide the title. Click on it to open the page editor in WordPress. Now that you have the page open, you'll need to determine where the page title is located within the source code. This part might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll go through it together. Right-click anywhere on your page and select Inspect or View Page Source from the drop-down menu, which will open the developer tools of your browser. When the developer tools are open, look for the line of code that contains your page title. This will typically be within an H1 or H2 HTML tag. Once you have found the section with the title, take a note of its ID or class. You are going to need this information for the next step. With the ID or class identified, now head back to your WordPress dashboard. This time, direct yourself to the Appearance section, hover over it, and then click on Customize. In the Customize area, look for a section labeled Additional CSS or something similar. Click on it to open the Custom CSS editor. This feature of WordPress allows you to add your own style rules to change the appearance of your website without altering the theme files directly. Now, you're going to type a small snippet of CSS code to target your page title. Use the ID or class you noted earlier in your CSS code to ensure you're hiding the right element. The CSS code will be simple. If your title has an ID, it might look like this: URID, display, none, or if it's a class, it might look like this: your class, display, none. Double check that you have entered the correct ID or class followed by the display property set to none. This tells the browser not to display the specified element, effectively hiding your page title from view. Before you save these changes, take a look at the preview option. Confirm that the page title is no longer showing up on the page. If everything appears to be how you like it, click the Publish or Save button to apply your changes. And there you have it, your page title is now successfully hidden, all without the use of any plugins. Remember, this process can be repeated on any page, and you can always go back to adjust or remove the CSS if you decide you want to show the title again in the future. I hope this guide helps you to achieve the clean, minimalistic look you're aiming for on your website. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks.